The UK Home Office is expanding its digital immigration services, making eVisas and online status checks more important than ever. In this video, we'll explain how the View and Prove service works.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one, and would like some assistance.
The UK Home Office continues to expand its digital immigration services as part of the wider transition to eVisas and online immigration status management. The latest developments reinforce the government's move away from physical immigration documents and towards a fully digital system where migrants can access, manage, and prove their immigration status online through their UK Visas and Immigration or UKVI account. For millions of visa holders, settled status holders, and those with immigration permission in the UK, the View and Prove service is becoming an increasingly important tool for everyday life. The View and Prove service allows individuals to securely access their immigration status online. Through their UKVI account, users can view their immigration status or eVisa, check the conditions attached to their permission to stay in the UK, generate a share code, prove their right to work, prove their right to rent, demonstrate eligibility for certain services and benefits, update personal information linked to their immigration record. The expansion of the View and Prove service demonstrates the Home Office's commitment to creating a fully digital immigration system. For most migrants, this means immigration status will increasingly be accessed, managed, and verified online rather than through physical documents. Those who have not yet checked their eVisa status should do so as soon as possible to ensure their records are correct and ready for future right to work, right to rent, and travel checks. Has your eVisa setup been smooth so far? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.